YouTube Shorts have made me this much money in the past week just by using this very under-tapped method that a couple of channels are using. Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube by copy and pasting YouTube Shorts? Of course you do, otherwise why would you have clicked on this video? So if you stick around, I'm going to show you the 4 easy steps to do this, and at the end I'm going to give you a bonus software that can make this all a lot easier. So let's get into the steps now. And we have step 1, how to find the right shorts to upload. And step 2, how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts. Step 3, how to get views for your YouTube Shorts. And finally, step 4, how to make money with. I'll let you know that later. So step 1, how to find the right YouTube Shorts to copy and paste. As we can see here from this Social Blade Sport LS17, they have 184 million views, which is insane. Over the past 30 days, 15.7 million views, and as you can see, they are gaining a lot of views every single day. Now this is going to generate a lot of traffic to make money online later. And as we can see from their channel here, they have 355k subscribers, and all they are doing is re-uploading sports highlights. It seems like mostly women's football. As you can see here, 18 million views. All they are doing is putting a little watermark and some text over it like this and over here, and all this can be done within the YouTube Shorts editor in the YouTube app on your mobile phone. So how do we go about finding these clips to upload? And as you can see here, I just typed in one of the footballers that was there, go by under 4 minutes, and as you can see here, there are shorts popping up, and you can just edit these within the YouTube app. Now there is a lot of channels uploading these. As you can see here, 21 million views over the past year. 4 months ago, 73 million views. That is crazy, and these channels have been doing this for a couple of months now, so I'd assume it is quite safe to do. There should be no risk involved with this, but then again, everything is risky in business. So let's get into the second step, and I will show you how you can actually go about copy and pasting these YouTube Shorts. Step number 2, how to actually go about copy and pasting these YouTube Shorts. So as you see here, there are some longer clips that you would be able to just crop and trim into a YouTube Short, or you can just download these actual YouTube Shorts by just right clicking on your computer, copy link, and going to an app like yt1s.com, and then all you do is paste there, and you will actually be able to download these short, and then you can do a little edit within the YouTube app. And over here, a little bonus, if you actually search up the thing you want, the YouTube Short on Instagram, you will be able to find Instagram pages like this footballer Alicia Lehman. She has a lot of reels on this fan page here, and you can just use these like the other pages are doing. Now remember, there is always risk to doing this as it is not your own content, but a lot of other pages are doing this and they seem to have no issues. There's always sports highlights on YouTube, and they rarely get taken down in my opinion, so I have seen, and these channels have been up a couple of months now, so nothing seems to be happening with them. So let's get into step number 3, how to get views to your YouTube Shorts. And we have step 3, how to get views with your YouTube Shorts. So if we go here, we're using the same example again, Alicia Lehman, and if you filter under 4 minutes this week and by view count, you will see the best performing YouTube Shorts for this week. As you can see here, 222,000 views just uploaded 2 days ago. This one here, 2 days ago, 87,000 views. Here we go, a week ago, 50,000 views. So this is insane. 6 days ago, 47,000 views. As you see, this is working, and it is working well for a lot of these channels here. As you can see, some of them are re-uploading the exact same kind of clip and capitalizing on that. So now we're going to get into step 4, how to actually go about making money with YouTube Shorts. Before we jump into the last step, step 4, how to actually make money with your YouTube Shorts, I just wanted to show you that quick software that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. It says here, 3-click software makes up to $528 a day posting 15-second lame videos. So what this software is going to do is, I believe it is going to generate the shorts for you. So it's another kind of way other than the method I showed you, and it is pretty cool. It is worth checking out. I will leave the link down below. This is an affiliate link, so I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you, but I just thought it is quite a cool software and it gives you a different kind of angle for YouTube Shorts. Now, how are you actually going to go about monetizing your YouTube Shorts? We're going to be using something known as CPA marketing, and what you do is you get a link, sign up to these CPA marketplaces, you grab your link and you post it out there. But what we're going to be doing is driving traffic from YouTube Shorts. So these two websites here, we have CPA Grip and we have AFF Plus. And what you're going to want to do is sign up to these, look for offers that will pay you a decent amount. You know, you can earn up to maybe $1 to $10, as you can see here, win an iPhone 13 US cost per action. So if they enter their email, for example, to win this iPhone, you will earn a $10 commission. And I know on CPA Grip they have a PayPal gift card offer where you earn about $2. Now you're probably thinking, how are we going to make money from that? Well, with YouTube Shorts, obviously it is powerful to get views, and people aren't going to want to spend money. So these offers, they're free to sign up and you get paid for the action. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this.